Program number 19. Consider series object S8 that stores the number of students in each section of class 12 as shown below. Section wise strength has given. First two sections have been given a task of selling tickets 100 rupees per ticket as part of a social experiment. So first two sections, that means section A and B, has given the task to sell the tickets. Each ticket cost is 100 rupees. Write code to display how much they have collected, how much section A and B, section wise how they must collected, that one you will display. So how you will write the program? First import pandas SPD, module name, then value, strength I have taken in the list, then pd.series data equal to value, this one, this variable, because this data I stored in the val variable. Index equal to I for I in ABCD. Why I for I? This is the range. In the Python you know that for I in range, then we have written in the range value. So here label has given ABCD index value, so that is why ABCD. Now for I in I, and this I for taking the index. If we will not write this one, then what happen? If we will change it also, both the variable, suppose I and J, then it will generate error. So that is why both variable, this one you should write same, I for I, this I for loop and this I for taking as an index for displaying the data. Now which two data we want to display? Only section A and B. So S8, this series we stored in S8, so that is why S8, slicing up to 2. Why up to 2? This is 0 index, then this is 1 index, this is 2 index, and this is 3 index. So first two index 0 and 1. So we are writing here 2, and this is the positional value. 2 means integer value, so that is why it will take only 0 to 1. If we will write A slice B, then also it will display into 100, because section wise we want to display. Now see the output. Look at here, section A 3900, section B 4100. If you will write this one 2 places, suppose in the quotation section A, then in the quotation section B. Then see output will generate or not. See, same output. So this is the question number 19.